I started this school since 2005. Since I started this school, we was not having classrooms. So when it's raining, we stop classes and go home. I was very happy when I heard that they are coming to build their classroom, and they stopped in 2008. So I was very sad. So we'll be very happy if village by village can help us.
A teacher at AboAbo, and we don't have classroom blocks.
The village of AboAbo is situated in the eastern region of Ghana and has a population of 1,200 people. There are over 500 children in the community, but only 107 children attend the local primary school. The community is being classed as being in great need by the Ghanaian government, but the children still have to learn in makeshift classrooms.
My name, I teach in AboAbo. I realize the school is not having a good environment. It doesn't encourage effective teaching and learning. We are glad to have village by village to help us to complete our school building. I think it will go a long way to help the students and encourage them to come to school, and also will go a long way to help the community as a whole. So as the teachers in the school, we really appreciate and we are humble to have you. Thank you very much.
Is this your school?
Yes.
Why is it not finished?
The community has not have a money to finish the school.